Hey everyone, it's Adam from MAPerformance. We're super excited to have Thomas here from Haltech. We're going to talk the main reasons why you should choose Haltech as your engine management system, also a brief overview of their company history, their full product offering, and how to pick the best engine management system for you. Stay tuned.
As Adam stated, I'm Thomas from Haltech, and I'm here to show you what we offer in our ECUs and a little bit of history about the company. We've been around for 30 years in Australia as our home office base. Like I said, we are an engine management company. We provide everything from performance-based to extreme-based, but we have an office in the US. We have our office in Australia, and we are going into New Zealand and Austria. So that will cover a majority of the continents and we'll cover all of our customers globally.
So a lot of our customer base is around modern turbocharged vehicles. Can you talk a little bit about your product offerings?
Our applications are everything from mild to wild. We have the plug-and-play boxes, which are great for your customers that have a basic tune, cold air intake, and exhaust, to your extreme Pro Mod 3-second class cars. And so we try to cover everything in between with our plug-and-play adapters and with our customizable Elite series.
So Thomas, what are some of the main reasons you should choose Haltech?
First off, we pride ourselves on customer support. We have 19 hours of actual people that you can call, and you can talk to somebody and you can remote in to their ECU and be able to help them after hours.
So we have a lot of customers on the streets, on the strip. When is a good time to upgrade your ECU?
We offer everything. So it's you can do it from day one when you bolt on your cold air intake to we have customers that are classes that have full-blown nitrous turbo setups. So what we offer is we offer everything from a plug-and-play to your normal basic sports cars from the factory. And then we also have stuff that goes into the wild. We have a 2500 with a REM system, and you can have that on 16 injectors on a V8 with turbo and nitrous and with all these parameters.
So we have a lot of guys that own Evos, Subarus at different power mod levels. How do they know what the best engine management system would be for them?
It's going to come down to the customer and the build and the sales staff here at MAPerformance and us at Haltech to be able to guide them in the right situation and say, okay, well, you have a mild to wild and you have a plug-and-play street application, or you're building a full-blown race car, and be able to talk to your salesperson and be able to cover all those items.
That's good. I think knowing what their goals are, knowing what they want to achieve, and also giving them a little bit of room to grow to add power.
Exactly. So you don't want to use the limitations of a stock ECU. So with a standalone system, you can grow and you have that opportunity to add on later.
So we've heard of Haltech, but what other offerings do you guys have that we may not know about?
We sell everything from boost controllers to thermocoupler sensors to wide bands to gauge arc gauges, and we have everything that covers your automotive needs. So therefore, when you hook all this stuff up with our ECU, you can set fail-safe parameters through your wideband. You can set oil pressure sensors to be able to achieve what you want to achieve, and if we have a drop or a catastrophic failure, we can shut the engine down before it damages more.
Yeah, that's nice to know. I also saw you guys had terminated harnesses for engine swaps and some other stuff on your website.
We do. Like I said, we have everything from plug and play to the terminated harnesses to the flying lead harnesses. So you can do plug to custom to complete custom.
So I've seen Haltech around. I've seen them on Mighty Car Mods. Can you talk a little bit more about how you're connected with the car community?
We are very involved with a lot of the social media, the big followings. We have Mighty Car Mods, we have Hoonigan. We have also been on Street Outlaws, which is a television program. We also are doing a lot of events. We do events every year. We have everything from NMRA to NCMA, DSM Shootout to World Cup Finals, from drifting to rally trucks to race cars, circuit tracks. We try and cover all walks of motorsports life. That way, everybody is able to use our product.
Those are some really cool car events. We're looking forward to being there from MAPerformance's standpoint and partnering with the car community. So thank you, Thomas. Thank you for coming here and teaching us all about Haltech.
Thank you for having me.
And thank you to you guys for watching. Please comment below on what you learned from this video or what your favorite thing about Haltech is for a chance to win some of this awesome swag. And check out the link below for all the Haltech product offerings we have from MAPerformance. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for all the cool videos we have to come in 2019.